Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, open up Settings. From here you want to go to the first option, About Phone, and you should see Storage. As you can see from me, it's right over here. Tap on it and then scroll down below where you'll find your SD card section. As you can see right here in this faint little text, SD, and in here we have Format SD card option. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD or device. And yeah, if you want to keep something that is on that card, then make a copy of it, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have done it already or you simply don't want to, click on Format SD card, the process will automatically begin, and this only takes several seconds. Once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on Done and you're completely finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.